Hello guys, welcome to Ankit Sunyal Wits. Today video is going to be very special and important for people who are examiners, evaluators, teachers or administrator people who conducts exam for students. So this video is about to look at how AIMS Delhi conducts its own professional exams for MD, MS people or MBBS people, how their final exams are being carried out, which are very different from the internal assessments. Internal assessment exams are or end semester exams are usually same like any other medical colleges where you go to a lecture theatre and it is conducted. Here the professional exams or the final exam is being carried out by a separate section called examination section. So in this examination section is located in a very separate building where the access is very limited throughout the years, and in that these are the people who will provide the roll numbers to the students, will give the dates for examination, and they will compile the marks and will announce the results. The first step of how these exams are being conducted is that a candidate gets his roll number in a circular provided through your email or through your department. A student will get his roll number. Using this number, which is called enrollment number or the roll number, student will go to a AIMS website and will upload his basic details, including his photograph, his signature, and he has to pay examination fee. And after that, he will get his admit card after 1 or 2 days, and the admit card will contain a barcode, and it will have student roll number, it will have the hall number, the time or the shift, because AIMS Delhi also conducts its exam in 2 shifts, morning shift and afternoon shift. The admit card will also contain detail like the hall number, seat number where the student will be sitting. That admit card will also contain instructions which things are permitted inside the examination hall, and during what time a student have to reach. During the COVID time, it also had a copy of declaration form where a student will declare about whether he has a COVID symptoms or not. If he has, then separate facility will be provided for him. On the day of exam, a student have to report early on time, and then he has to provide the declaration form for COVID. And at the entrance of this examination section, where all these exams are being conducted, separate halls are there. So just at the entrance, a barcode of your admit card will be scanned and your picture will come up. Then they will click a new picture every day when you will come for the exam, and that picture will be matched by a software. If it does not match, they will write your roll number separately, and if any discrepancy is found, and later on they may evaluate it. After matching your photograph, they have a separate section. Cupboards are there where you can put your bag, and then you can head toward your seat. A separate cubicle is provided for a student for writing the exam, and on that cubicle there will be a seat number, and a clock will be there in all the walls. We're using a microphone and speakers which are already placed on the examination hall. So announcement will be made and instruction will be provided to the students. There will be good number of invigilators, 24 hours. That whole examination section and halls are under CCTV surveillance. There will be mobile jammers, so no one can use cell phones or any modes of cheating. And also on your seat you will be provided water bottles, so you do not have to waste time by getting up your seat. All the students who will be using washroom, they have to note down their name, roll number and time, what time they are leaving for washroom and what time they are coming. And one unique thing is, like, the exam paper will have a code, and every answer sheet will also have a code which is provided to the student. The student have to write on that answer sheet the question paper code, and also if a student takes a supplementary sheets are also numbered. They have a unique ID, and that ID also need to be written on your examination on your answer sheets. Then this is how the theory exams are conducted, and practical exams are conducted by the department. They will give the dates and all the examiners, and the examiners are mainly the external examiners will come and evaluate the theory papers and the practicals, and later on through all the departments marks will be, through practical marks will be given to the examination section, and then examination section will compile all the marks and will put it out online. The good thing is most of the things are online, and digitalized. That saves time. Like even for paying, making payment for your examination fee, you can do it online. So if you find anything new, or if you feel something can more be added, please write down your suggestion in the comment box. I would love to go through, and we all can see, okay, how exams are being, professional exams or how final exams are being conducted in other colleges, and what all we can add or incorporate to make changes. So see you guys in the next video. Tata, bye bye.